That video you just watched was generated using Seedance 2.5. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get unlimited access to it. Follow along closely. Skipping a step could mean the difference between this working or not. Let's get started. So this right here is the AI platform, and as you can see right here, they now have Seedance 2.5 now available, and they even have the opportunity for you to use Seedance 2.5 for completely unlimited for 33 days, and you can check it out. This AI platform is honestly the best out there because of the amazing capabilities you get with this. Not only the amazing generative models like Seedance 2.5, you also have different tools like the MCP as well as the Higgsfield supercomputer. So don't think of it as an image video generator, because this AI platform is currently the best #1 AI platform you can think about because of its amazing generative capabilities. I mean, just take a look at the quality of the videos you get with the all-new Seedance 2.5 models. And in this video, we're going to be testing it out. And what's crazy is that we can actually generate as long as 30 seconds videos with Seedance 2.5, and I'll be showing you just that. So before we head over and test out Seedance 2.5, let's test out the image generator, because if you click over here on image, you see a list of amazing features like the AI influencers. And if you look over at models, you can see the top image generative models are included and none are left behind. This is honestly great. Now, to generate images, all you have to do is click right here on Create Image, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Now, from the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing this AI platform out, whether it's realistic content or even product images. This AI platform handles it really, really well. Now, in order to generate images, all you have to do is type in a prompt of your choice. For example, I can say, man with an umbrella walking in a dark, rainy street just like this. And for the model, you have lots and lots of amazing models to choose from, like the Dream 5 Pro, as well as Nano Banana, and they even have ChatGPT Image 2, which I'll be going with for this generation. Now you can choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1, and for the batch size, I recommend generating 2 images at a time, which I will do so. Now, all you have left to do is to click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated, and this doesn't take much time. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates, and make sure to stay tuned, because after this, I'll be showing you the amazing capabilities we get with Seedance 2.5. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our images for us, and in no time, our images are done generating. Let's take a closer look, and honestly, it did a really, really great job with this. No weird morphing at all, no distortion. So what's left is to choose which one you prefer, and you can download it straight into your device. So now that's covered, let's head over to the main reason why we're here, which is the all-new Seedance 2.5. Now, in order to use this, all you have to do is hover over here on Video and click right here on Create Video, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Now, you can see that I myself have been using this platform to generate realistic videos, but what I last generated was using Seedance 2. So now, in order to use Seedance 2.5, click right here on Models, and you should see it's selectable right here. And if you look closely, we can generate all the way up to 30 seconds of AI video, which we can't do with any other model. So click right here on it, and all you have to do is paste in your prompt. I have this prompt right here to test the amazing 30 seconds capabilities. So what I'm going to do is take the duration all the way up to 30 seconds, and you can choose the aspect ratio, which I would go with 16:9. Having everything set, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our Seedance 2.5 video is currently being generated. And I'm honestly intrigued to see how well this will handle our prompts, because this is actually the first time I'm testing out this platform. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates. Okay, in no time our video is done generating. Let's play this and take a look. and honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion, and it adhered to the prompt really, really well. The quality and audio and basically everything is just on point, and you can click right here and download the video straight into your device. Now, this AI platform houses many other models as well as Seedance 2.5, so make sure to check it out, and make sure to also check out the unlimited Seedance 2.5 that you get for 33 days. The link to this AI platform will be in my bio.